After breakfast, Maka walked down to the beach to meet his best friend, the Aloha Meter. And when he arrived, he found an Aloha Meter that looked very sad. "What's up?" he asked. "It's the beach," said the Aloha Meter. "Look at the mess it's in. Away." Maka looked out to the beach and saw that it was covered in trash. Wrappers, boxes, bottles, and bags. It was all there, and it looked awful. But Maka was always ready to make things right. "Don't worry," he said. "If we work together, we can have the sand shining like the stars in no time at all." And so it was that in less than an hour, they found themselves looking proudly at a perfectly clean beach. Now that the beach was clean, Maka and the Aloha Meter jumped in to cool off and have fun. Aunty Mala sat and enjoyed the warm sun and watched Maka and the Aloha Meter swim.